last time we have seen the static and dynamic roles. So we have seen how to create static row level security and the dynamic row level security. So in modeling we will go to the manage roles and then we create static and dynamic row level security. So for dynamic we have write the DAX function this. Okay, so it will check the path of the employee, and then according to that, it will check whether that the employee is logged in or not. If logged in, then it will produce the record for the for that employee. Okay, so this is the only about the DAX, and then now we will publish this report and we will check it. So we'll go to the home, and here we have the publish option. Okay, now we are publishing this to the online in the Power BI services. Okay, and you can see I have logged in with my account. So now I'm going to publish this. Okay, before publishing anything, okay, let me try. If it will not have, if this will not work now, this email ID, then I'll add my current email ID and then we will see. So you can see this when I click on publish, we got this select destination. So by default, my workspace will come to you. Okay, okay. So there will be the personal workspace and the this is called the personal workspace from in where you can add anything. You can publish your reports, or either you can create the workspace in Power BI services. So we'll come back to that also. So currently we have only this workspace. So by default we have to select this and then click on select, and now this will be publishing to Power BI services. Okay, so you can see open success and open row level security. So we have to click on this, and this will take you to the Power BI services. Again, it is asking me. Okay, so now you can see we have published the reports. Okay, now we have here workspace and my workspace. So when you click on workspace, it will give you to create your workspace with your what workspace name you want and what license and all things. And here here this workspace which you have published. Okay, so you will see reports, workbooks, data sets, these three, and dashboard, these three things. Okay, when you click on dashboard, you will see this. Okay, but we want this data set, so we have to click on this three dot. We have to go to the security. Okay, and now you will see these two things in row level security. So we have to add our email address here. Yeah, but this one I have not added, right? Okay, you have to click on add. Okay, here the another name is Hemant, right? If I write Hemant here, then you can see you can't use invalid or duplicate emails. Okay, it means these are the dummy data, so we cannot use this as like for live purpose. So after adding this email address, we need to click it here. Okay, this dynamic role, and in this three dot test as role. When you click on test as role, save. You have unsaved changes. Okay, now it is okay. Not able to see any records for this Mashik at the rate ECD. Just give me a second. Okay, so first we have to add this email ID, my email ID. Just give me a moment. Uh, where is employee RLS? Okay, now you can see I have made changes in Excel file and now my email ID is changed. Okay, so whenever you made some changes in Excel file, you don't have to import it again and again. Okay, only the thing is you have to do is just refresh this and the changes will reflect it to you.
So this changes needs to be done in the जहाँ पे हम लोग DAX function डाल रहे हैं वहाँ पे, is it?
No, these changes will need to be done in data sets. So I have used
So the data set where we have all the email IDs, you mean to say?
uh, no, no. You see, you have imported these data sets, so these changes
Right.
will be done in the data set itself only. So I have, suppose if you are using filter functions and you have to add some more rows in this. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
you have to add some more rows for Canada, Germany. Okay, and you have already imported this file, and suppose you have added these 5 records or 6 records more. Okay, on that time you don't have to import it again into Power BI desktop. Okay, you just have to then make changes here, click control S करना है then, and you have to close this file,
Okay.
and then here you just have to refresh this. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
and
Okay.
then the data will be reflected in Power BI.
Okay.
Okay, that's what I have done here, right? So I have not imported it again. I have done like I have changed this email ID and then I have just click on refresh.
Okay.
Okay, and now we have to publish this again. Yes, we'll select this, and now this time it will give us to replace it. So we will replace this. Okay. here, and we will click on this security, and then we will add, I will add my, this one, add, save. So you can see I have added one name here, and then we have to click on test as role, and now I'll be able to see the records of that paper, the people who comes under me. Okay, you can see these two and two. It means Mohit, Soham, and Suyesh are working under me. Okay, and these are the sales records, and when they will log in, okay, suppose when Mohit will log in, then Mohit will only be able to this record, the first record. Okay, he will not able to log in these three records. This only the sum of 115 cells he will be able to see, this the first line. Okay, same way when Soham will log in, he will be able to see the Soham records and the Mohit records. These two records. As you can see, the path is 246. So 2 means it's me. He cannot see my things. Okay. And 4 means the Mohit, and 6 itself Soham. Okay. So he will be only able to see the Soham like itself record and the Mohit record, and the same way Suyash will only be able to see his record. He will not able to see the any other person's record. This is about the role level security, and okay, let me back to this my workspace. Okay, so in this you can see we have three things: all content and data set plus data flows. Okay, so if you see in content, there will be a report. So you can see type is report. When you create report from the dashboard, on that time type will be dashboard. Okay, and then when you click here, there will be data set and data flows. So we will see what is data flows in later classes, but currently we have these data sets. Okay, so here in all you will be able to see both record, both things, the report plus the data sets. Okay, so let me go here. Let me publish the another file. So we will do something. Okay, before going to the Power BI services, one more thing is there. You can see these three dots, get more visual. You have to click it here, and then you have to click get more visual. Okay, and you can only it can only be possible when you have this account. Okay, now you will be able to see a lot of Power BI visualizations. So the blue tick ones are the Microsoft certified. Try to use mostly Microsoft certified visuals. Okay, this will uh, give you an impact on your Power BI reports. Okay, how your reports will be faster. So
Okay.
if you will not use Microsoft certified account, might be this will affect on your speed.
Mm-hmm.
So we have a lot of charts here. You can try it, and I'll give you some mostly used chart, and like this sunburst infographic, and this animated bar chart. Or if you will not get this, then you can see, you can I have shared the visual chooser PDF, right? So these are
Yes.
the things we have in on that. So you can try it with this. Else what you can do is, you if you will not able to find, just try to search it here, so you will be able to get. Suppose I'm finding infographic. Okay, so it comes infographic designer. So just try this, and I'll share the descriptions of that file, and you can see this is the KPI. Okay, let me add this. You have to click on that, and then you have to simply click on add. And okay, sorry, imported successfully, and now here you will be able to see that. Okay, I was okay. This one. Okay, so you can see the description here. Shows a value, it variance to reference value, and it variance to second and third reference value. So this is the type of chart we have. So mostly used in to show the difference, like in this will work when you have sales data, when you have finance data on that time. And see this sales and profit, what are the net sales, what are the margins and all. See,
Okay.
so you can see this KPI is created, KPI versus previous year, and the target in absolute and in percentage. So based on this they have created this KPI. Okay, not able to cancel this. Okay, why this is happening? So you can see can be used on dashboard, or for example as reporting portal entry, as well as on mobile devices. So well, I don't know why this is. Okay, now it is fine. Let me just close this file. So you have whole weekend. So please make one dashboard which I have given to you, that sales and marketing,
Yeah, yeah. I'll do that.
and I'll give you my access so you can use the this visual also.
Yes.
Have visualizations. Okay. Right click and click on hide page. This is the bookmark. This is the matrix KPI. Okay. So now I'm publishing this report. You can see I have hide the tooltip page and we are not able to see that page. See, I have hide this page, and when I have published this, that page will be gone. You or we are not able to see in Power BI services that page. Okay, so we have these reports. What is this? Map and field map visuals aren't enabled for your organization. Contact your tenant admin to fix this. Okay. Not here. Okay. So I'm not able to do this because this is just a normal account, right? This is not a pro account and not even a premium account. So we will not able to see the admin portal. But as soon as we will start with the this, you can see I have not started my free trial because I have to show you something. That's why. So we'll see. That's
Okay.
why when we enable this from the admin tenant, on that time this this map will work. Okay, so let me go here only to our dashboards. Okay, now you can see this file. So we can save as a file, we can download this, and now you will see we can generate the QR code. So here you are generating QR code for this, and you can download this QR code, and you can share it with your colleagues. So when you scan this, your colleagues will able to see your reports. Okay, so this is how you
Okay.
can create a QR code. In file we have option to create QR code. Okay, and then you can see this embedded report. In this we have publish and developer playground. Okay, so this is for the developer, this is not for us. So when we click on the publish to web, it is showing contact your admin to enable embed code creation. So Ye- I like I'm not able to do this because I'm not an admin person for this. I'm using just simple version, and even if I will use pro and this premium now, pro and premium per user, I'm not able to do this because until and unless we don't have any license of the Power BI, will not able to publish this into publicly. But I'll show you what happened when you will click on this now. See, when you go and click on this publish to web, this on that time one pop-up will come, and on that pop-up you have to you will get a link. So you just have to copy that link and you have to click, go to the new tab and paste that link, and then you will be able to see that report. Okay, so basically you will get the link when you click on web to publish. See, this publish to web, you will get the link to publish it publicly. Okay, then in setting, okay, Setting is nothing, we'll see later. Okay, and then we have export option. In this you can analyze in Excel. Okay, so I have click on analyze in Excel. Okay, now we are able to see the data model here. Okay, you already know pivot table, right? As you are working in Excel. So
Yes.
from here you can add the total sales and the region. So we will be able to see the region wise total sales. So it means we can, export the data to this Excel also, and we can analyze the report by creating table, by creating charts and all in Excel. So we can do this also. So as soon as I have imported those things, first you need to enable the permission, and then you have to log into the Power BI account. Okay, so that if you will not logged in, then on that time this data model will not show into you. So I have created this. Then you can create any others. You use the slicers and the charts and all those things, and you can use it in Excel as well. So this is what analyze in Excel. Okay. Now, when you click on this PowerPoint, this will give you two option: embed in image and embed in live. So, what is the option of embed in image? So, when I say embed in image, you will not able to interact with the reports. And interactive means when I click it here, these dashboards are filtering, right? So, this will not able
Yes.
to happen in image, but in live image, yes, this will be happen. So, we'll see. So embed in image, first we'll see this. Include hidden report types, no, import only current one. So here they will give you an option that include hidden report tabs. So I have hide one report, right, one tab, right, that tooltip. So I don't want to import that, so I have just unchecked this, and now I'm clicking on export. Okay, now we will open this. And here you will be able to see that report. Okay, so you can see we are not able to interact with anything. This is just an image.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, and when we click on live, okay, see this will give you the link also, so you can share it with your colleagues also. Suppose I'm copying this link, and also I'm opening this into PowerPoint. Okay, so here you need to log into your Power BI. Sign in with other account. Share. Let me just paste your link here. Now you will be able to see this. Okay, and now this time this will be interactive. So you can see it is filtering. You are able to see the tooltip also in this.
Yeah.
Okay, so when you want to import live data, on that time you can use this, and when you want to show just a glance of something of your reports, on that time you can use the image. If you want, if you don't want to interact this report. Okay, so let me close this. Okay, so this is about the export, and same way you can download this into PDF. So now this time this will give you the PDF format. Okay, so you just have to click on that PDF and then import. Now when you open this will be a PDF format. See, this is the PDF format, and this will not interactive. This is like an image but in PDF format. Okay, so we can export in this way. We can use live data, we can analyze in Excel, and we can use image also to export this. Okay, now we have share option. Okay, when you click on this, now what is uh, the pop-up is upgrade to Power BI Pro. If this will not pro, then you will not able to share your reports to your colleagues. So we have to click, we got this three option, we have to click is on try free. Okay, now you can, all paid features for Power BI are yours for 60 days. Okay, then this is for 60 days. Okay, that means what is that? Okay, now you can see trial 59 days left. Okay, and here, okay, now here you can see that free trial tab is gone. So even you can cancel the trial, and if you don't want, and or else you can use this. Also you can say this license type is free account. So this is not paid account, so we are not able to see all those features, but yes, we will be able to see some more features in this. Okay, so now when we click on share, this pop-up will come. Okay, so in this you will have these things. People with existing access, like suppose you have given some access before to your colleagues, and you have to give the access to that person only, on that time you can use this. This is for the specific people, and this is for the people in your organizations. Okay, so the same way you have asked yesterday that how you are able to see the reports of your people, right? So they are sharing with you that people in your organization. Okay, so when I do this, then whatever the people are there in my organization, 5 or 6, they will be able to see my reports. Okay, so if you click on allow recipients to share the reports, then on that time they will also be able to share the reports. And if you click on this to build the content, so content means the report purpose only. So the visualizations and the charts and all those are called in content, with data associated with the report. So whatever the data we have in our report, by use of that data they will be able to create the reports and all those things. So you can think what you want, which access do you want to give that people's, and then you can apply it. Okay, and after giving that, you have to, either you can copy the link, either you can mail it, and either you can, just write the person name. Suppose this is me, and you can write as many people as you want. Suppose if you want to send 10 people, then just give a 10 people address name here. Okay, and then just click on send, and this will send to the that person, and that person will get one link. Okay, and by clicking on that link they will be able to open that pbx file. So they will receive an email, or on email not this notification. Okay, currently I have not received. Okay, let me see to my. Okay. Okay, even I have also not get the notification, so it will take some time. Let's wait, and we will see if I'll get the notification or not, because I have sent to me only. So we will get. It will take time. Okay, so this is how you can share the reports with your people, and if you want to share with a specific group or the specific person, on that time you can use this. Okay, so you can share by copy sending the link, or by email, or by connecting on teams, or by in powerpoint. Okay, and suppose if you're sharing with your manager. Okay, and you have some doubt, then you can add their email id, and you can write the message here that you have this and this problem, and then they will give you some solution by sharing that, or by commenting on that reports. The second thing is, okay, we'll go with this. Not here. This is the comment. This comment. Okay. Okay, so comment is used when you have report and you want to talk to your colleagues, and who's sitting to the another hand. Okay, who is not next behind you, and you have to take some suggestions on your reports. So on that time you can comment on your report, and you can share it with your colleagues, and then they will give you the comment on your questions or the reports. Okay, so let's start it. And then here you just have to write at the rate and the initial. Suppose shake, if I write this, now you can see I got two options, right? So this one is my current one, and then here I'll share it, like I'll post it. uh, okay, and then I'll post it. So here I have given my name, and instead of giving my name, you have to give to the your colleague's name here. Okay, so on that time when you give their name and when you comment this, they will be able to receive one link, and then they will open that link, and on that time they will able to give you the comment. And then again, if you click it here, suppose if your email id will be there, then I'll write your name. Okay, and then you will able to receive this comment and with one link, and they will you will able to see the reports, and you can give reward back by commenting the same way. Okay, so this is the, if you are giving your colleague's name. Okay, suppose Riya, I'm taking something. Okay, so this is my colleague who's not next behind me, who's working some another hand, some another branch, and you want to take help from her. Okay, on that time you have to give their email ID, that email ID for Riya's email ID. Okay, and you can comment it. Then she will receive this comment and with one link, and she will be open that link and then check it, and then the same way she can revert you. She will revert you. Okay.
Okay.
So you and the Ria, you two person will be able to see this conversations. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So here the comment thing is there. Okay. Also, when she will receive this notification, now you have to give the permission to access your report. Okay. So when you give the permission to access your report, on that time, she will be able to give able to see your reports, and then she will give you the comment on that. Okay. Everything is changes and not able to see. Okay, so now we have the another thing is subscription or subscribe to emails. Okay, so the use of subscription is, suppose I have this report and I send this report to my colleagues or to my manager or to the stakeholders Friday 4 o'clock. Okay, so what I can do here is I can tell my Power BI to do this task yourself. So I can subscribe this report and send it to my colleagues and the stakeholders every Friday 4 o'clock, so they will be able to see the notification, and they will open this file and they will give the suggestions. Okay, so for getting this, for creating this, we have to click on this subscribe to emails. Okay, and also this will be only possible for the single page. Okay, so you can see this is for the tooltip drill through and smart narrative page. So you can add a new subscription for 2 or 3 pages, because this is for the dashboard, right? And dashboard is only for the it's only for single pages. So you have to give this email id here, and you can click you can choose your frequency, that is daily, weekly, hourly, or monthly. So I'll choose weekly, and in week, every Friday 4 o'clock. Okay, or Monday or Friday 4 o'clock, or even you can give it 4 a.m. or we can give 6. Okay. When you click on more option, it will ask you for the subject. So weekly reports. Okay. And then you can give any message to regarding this report, whatever you want to say. So, and then the start date is 1/29/23. You can see this is the start date, and you can choose the end date. So suppose if you're choosing end date after 2 days, then the subscribe to this subscription will end after 2 days. Okay. And if you choose it long, then it will take, suppose I'm not able to. Okay, let me go up. So, if you choose it for 1 month, then this will work till Feb 28. Okay, so currently I'm choosing this for only 2 day. Okay, and then you can include the permissions. So permission to access the report in Power BI, link to report in Power BI, and preview image of that, and then you just have to click and save and close. Now you will receive an email based on frequency you selected. So now I will receive email based on frequency. So I have selected Monday and Friday. So I'll receive the email on Monday and Friday at 6 o'clock. So you just don't have to remind this again and again. You have set the frequency, and the Power BI will remind this itself. And likewise, you can share this report to 1,000 plus peoples. Okay. So we have seen these things today, and I'll check my schedule. Let me just stop the recording first.